In this video, I will show you how to share screen on Discord. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to share your screen on Discord, the first thing you're going to want to do is jump into a voice channel on the server that you want to share your screen on. So what I'm going to do is just, you can see I'm in my server here. I'm just going to click to go into my voice channel. Once you've done that, if you come down, you're going to see you're currently connected. Now, if you look underneath this, you're going to see some different icons. And what you want to do is click this monitor icon with a picture of an arrow, which says share your screen. Once you've done that, it's going to bring up a window like this, and you can choose whether to share certain applications that you have opened, or if you come up to the top, you can click entire screen and just share your entire screen. You've also got the option for devices, so if you want to share like a webcam or something like that, you can choose that from here. But in this example, I just want to share my entire screen, so I'm going to click entire screen, select my screen from here, and what it's going to do is start sharing my screen on Discord, as you can see here. You can hold down your left mouse button and click to drag this wherever you want within Discord. And once you've finished sharing your screen, all you need to do is come and click the cross down here where it says stop streaming. It's also down here as well. But once you do that, that's going to stop sharing your screen as well. So that is how to share screen on Discord. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.